Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make tepache, a delicious and refreshing traditional Mexican drink made from pineapple and spices. It's super easy to make at home, so let's get started. Ingredients: 1 pineapple, including the rind. 1 cinnamon stick. 3 cloves. 1 cup of piloncillo or brown sugar. 8 cups of water. 1/2 cup of tepache from a previous batch or a piece of a piloncillo cone, optional. A large glass jar with a lid. Cheesecloth. Step 1. Start by washing the pineapple and cutting off the crown and base. Then, slice the pineapple into small pieces, leaving the rind on. Place the pineapple pieces, cinnamon stick, and cloves into the large glass jar. Step 2. Add the piloncillo or brown sugar on top of the pineapple mixture, and pour in the water. Stir everything together until the sugar dissolves. Step 3. If you have a small piece of a piloncillo cone or some tepache from a previous batch, add it to the jar now. This will help kickstart the fermentation process, but it's not necessary. Step 4. Cover the jar with a cheesecloth and secure it with a rubber band or string. This allows air to flow in and out of the jar while keeping any bugs or debris out. Step 5. Store the jar in a warm, dark place for 2 to 3 days, stirring the mixture once a day. You'll notice bubbles forming on the surface, and it will start to smell sweet and slightly sour. Step 6. After 2 to 3 days, strain the mixture through the cheesecloth and discard the pineapple and spices. Pour the liquid back into the jar and cover it with a lid. Step 7. Refrigerate the tepache for a few hours to chill and let the flavors meld together. Step 8. When you're ready to serve, pour the tepache into glasses and enjoy. You can add a squeeze of lime or a sprinkle of chili powder for some extra flavor. That's all there is to it. Making tepache is easy and fun, and it's a great way to use up a pineapple that's about to go bad. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and tips.